Why can't I remember anything? I need to ask Robert for more details.
Catherine, what are you doing here?
What are you doing here?
I asked you first. What are you doing here?
I came here to regain my memories.
Well, what do you remember?
I only remember being here with one person. That man. Was that you?
Get together, sir.
Of course. Ryan, I was just playing with you. He's my true love.
No.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Fine. Then tell me, why do you hate me so much? Let go. Where are you taking me?
Back to the apartment. Luca, take Catherine back to the apartment.
What about you, sir?
You can pick me up and take me back to my family when I'm down here.
Yes, sir.
Luca, do you know why Ryan hates me so much?
I'm sorry, miss. I can't tell you.
I just want to know if there's been some sort of misunderstanding between us.
Molly, when are you and Ryan expecting to have a baby?
Don't worry. We're working on it.
Well, good. You can stay here tonight.
Sorry, I actually have plans tonight.
Oh, no. You have to stay. Robert, come here. I have something to tell you.
Yes, Grandma?
Robert, I need you to fetch something from the nearest pharmacy.
Are you all right?
Battle? It's for Ryan, so Molly can get pregnant sooner.
Hello?
It's me. Come downstairs.
Now?
Yes. Hurry up. Luca, get out of the car.
Mr. Walker,
No.
Yes, sir.
Ryan, what's wrong with you?
Master needs you. Come on.
I told you I'm not going to cooperate with you anymore.
Just this once.
Here's the thing. If you chop it up, I just use this as a
I was adopted? I was adopted? Oh, sweetie, you're home sooner than I thought. Mom, is this true? I guess I was naive to think that I could keep it from you. Lush, sweetheart, we love you, always, as if you were our own.
We all love you very much.
Mom, Dad, I love you too, but didn't I deserve to know about this? Molly?
Catherine, I really need to talk to you. Can you come see me?
Sure. I could use a change of air. I'll see you in a minute.
All good, Kat. Everything's gonna be okay.
Did I know Ryan Walker 4 years ago?
President of Walker Enterprises? I didn't even know him 4 years ago. Did you?
Dad, 4 years ago, was I really just in a car accident?
Yes, I promise you. Now, go meet with your friend. Don't keep her waiting.
I hope that memory remains lost.
Kat, how's your dad?
He's been receiving treatment and doing much better recently.
Oh, that's good. I have something to tell you. I can't get pregnant. I've seen a doctor, and he tells me it'll take a really long time to treat.
Time will heal.
You just have to be patient.
But Mrs. Walker is urging me to have a baby soon. Last night, she even tried to drug Ryan and me with aphrodisiacs.
That's why Ryan was so crazy last night.
Kat, can you pretend to be Leonardo's girlfriend? It'll help me divert Mrs. Walker's attention. Leonardo's already agreed. Please help me, Kat. I can't lose my status in the Walker family.
I'll do it.
Really? Thank you, Catherine. Hi, babe. Kat, my husband wants to talk to you.
Mr. Walker, hi. What can I do for you?
How dare you turn on your phone?
Sorry, Mr. Walker, I can't hear you.
I want to see you at the apartment now. Okay? Otherwise,
Yeah, sure. Bye.
What did Ryan say?
He found a top doctor for my dad.
Really? Yeah. Oh, that's so great. I'm sure your dad will feel better soon.
Thank you, Molly. Mr. Walker's doing this because of you.
We're best friends.
Listen, I have to go home and tell my mom and dad the good news, so I'll see you later.
Yeah, see you.
What can I do? I can't take it anymore. Someone help me. Oh no, only 2 minutes until half an hour. Oh, sorry.
Catherine,
Aiden?
is that really you?
Oh my god.
Oh my god! I finally found you.
Ryan, I saw Catherine hugging a stranger.
where is she?
On 6th Avenue, but they're about to leave.
Keep an eye on them. I'm coming over now.
Okay. Things are getting interesting.
Catherine, you remember this place?
This is where we first met.
Yeah. I come here often hoping to see you. I didn't expect to see you today.
Neither did I.
It's destiny.
So, how have you been the past 2 years?
Not bad. Hey. I'm sorry about 2 years ago. I shouldn't have stood you up.
Ryan?
How dare you go on a date with another man?
No, it's not what you think.
Hey, let her go.
Fuck off, she's mine.
Catherine, you know him? You want to go with him? Don't be afraid. I can protect you.
Tell him, Catherine. Who am I?
He's mine.
I think I understand.
I'm sorry.
Hey, can you help me look someone up?
So your first lover has returned. You must be very happy. Answer me.
Yes, I am. Happy.
Look at me. Come on. Ease me, my slave.
I'm not your slave.
Hurry up. Call me master. I like when you call me that. So, who's better? Me or Caden?
I never did this with Caden.
You honestly expect me to believe that? Don't forget to take your pills. I don't want you to have my baby by accident.
Don't worry, I don't want your kid anymore.
Hope you're being honest with me.
Everything I said is true.
Liar. You've been lying to me for the past 4 years.